maybe I should think before I talk. I get emotional and words come out all wrong. Sometimes I'm more honest than I want. So maybe I should think before, maybe next time I'll think before I talk.
Yeah, she's getting the list. Look at these. These are. I have 2 bags.
Yeah, I brought a pencil just in case. So then we could like cross things off, you know.
Alright.
Alright. Should we just don't we need just one card?
No, I think.
We'll just use 2.
Yeah.
Whatever. For me and for you.
Yeah. We're gonna just think separate.
Yo, if we just spend $20 just on this, I'm done. Cause we don't need any of this.
Yeah, we don't need it. Just go somewhere else.
Alright, should we? We should go here first.
Yeah.
Oh, these bowls.
Where? Alright.
See anything? Oh, they made it bigger.
Yeah, I just realized. Do we need American?
But I thought we were gonna get the ones at those are pens too.
Yeah.
Oh, don't get these.
Wanna get to just? Wanna get?
We'll just get them at $5.
Alright. Look. Wait. Sorry, 3. 3.
We're good. Wait, no. Me, you, Angeles, and
Oh, I forgot. Keep forgetting.
we would just get those. We can get an extra pack.
Yeah.
Alright, who's buying that?
Wait, there's
only one.
let's get those.
Oh, stickers.
Oh, found it. 4.
Oh, okay. 4? Okay.
Yeah. Who do you
Wait,
wanna buy?
so who's buying? I only have $20.
I'll buy it.
Sure?
Yeah, it's alright. Cause I'm gonna give my mom the money to buy those posters. We can't find anything else. We found the cute ones too.
Yeah. Wait, let's look at the bowls.
Bows.
Wait, let's cross the line.
Oh look, they're right here.
Mixing tools.
Yeah. I'm gonna get
No, we should get the like just
6.
sticks. Yeah.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Cause the spoons.
We need confetti.
There might be confetti here.
If there's not, then
Then
yeah.
we'll just do. Oh, there's balloons here.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the balloons.
There's balloons right here.
Alright, we're gonna get the ones that
We
have
should get
balloons.
the 25.
Alright. I'll
They
get.
come from 9 inches.
We should get like this.
Or should we get 14 for 12 inches? I'm gonna get these.
Get these.
25.
Should I get the polka dot ones?
If you want to.
I'll get the polka dot ones and the
Balloons.
what else?
Oh, isn't there? Oh, orgies here or whatever.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Come on.
Oh, let's try to find the containers here.
Oh, I saw containers over there.
Oh, you did? Alright, let's go back. Yeah, because we're gonna spend.
Right here, look.
Wanna get those?
Yeah.
Alright.
Or like, yeah, these are the same. I might get 2 for now.
Because how many times we're gonna be making? These bins to put the things in.
Well, I already have.
Alright. I'll just get my own. Oh, should I get 2 or just?
I think you're good with just this one.
Alright, cause no.
Or this one.
I'll just get 2 of those.
These.
Yeah, these are good. Wait,
You're using your mom's money?
I'm gonna pay her later.
That's tough.
Yeah.
How about these?
That can be good for the squishy.
You're getting 3?
I'm getting
Alright, so
I'll just get these. I'll just get one for now.
I already have a lot from my mom, so then I could just ask my mom.
Wait, do you, for the squishies, do you want to put them like in here?
Those are too small. I got them before.
Oh.
Alright, so I have containers.
I have like. Oh, we need what is it
We
called?
have. Oh yeah, you have 15 and 15.
Yeah.
You forgot these.
No, we don't need
Alright.
it. Oh, 100, 100. This is even
Yeah,
better.
50 and 50.
All right, I'll get that.
You're gonna get it?
Yeah. All right.
Oh.
Oh shoot, I forgot I found this. I'll get these. Yeah, we're good. I'm getting a lot of stuff.
Look. Hey, Jada, look.
I'm probably gonna get the butterfly
school
ones
have-
too.
But just take a
Yeah. I think I might have a lot of stuff.
Already, yeah.
Yeah.
I only have 6. I need 6.
Need
Is this sand? Oh no, that isn't sand.
really?
That's chalk. When
Oh.
you throw it, it just bursts.
We need sand though. I forgot about the sand. Oh, you put this as charms, no butterflies?
Yeah. That's sharps.
Cause they're like, oh look, glitter.
Do you need glitter?
I'll just get like a pack of.
There's 2 different colors.
I'll just get
Wait, no. These are just
the same, but
1, 2, 3.
they're all the same. They just bring different colors. Look how cute is this.
Get whatever you want, Valerie.
Somebody. Look over here. Probably over here.
No, I think. Oh, they're right there. No, those are just pebbles.
Look.
You're about to go to fireworks. You think so?
I don't know. Look, there's like paint.
You. Come on. Because then, if we get that, yo, look. It literally came out.
Uh-huh.
And then when you try coloring it, it's just gonna barely.
Yep.
Oh, kids paint for you. Oh yeah. Isn't that
Oh yeah, the shaving cream. Sand, found it.
Hey. Does it feel nice?
It feels like.
Ooh, it's so nice.
You want black?
Nah, I'm just gonna get white.
I'm probably gonna get a.
Look how glitter, guys.
Isn't that gonna fill up?
Oh, you.
I'm just gonna take this for
This
now.
is red and this is green, this
If I run out,
and
I'm
this is silver
Yeah.
and this is pink.
Alright, let's go.
We need shaving cream and baby powder.
Don't show the camera.
Oh.
Ooh, lotion. You know what? I'm not gonna get lotion.
Yeah. Shaving cream. Let's get the one that has more.
Wait,
Isn't it this one?
can we get that one?
12 ounce, and then this one is also
12 ounce.
12 ounce. And what about this one?
Guys,
This one is 9 ounce.
you know we all
That one is 9
I might just get
This one.
or should I get this one?
Do you want to get 2 or just 1? I think just 1 works.
Yeah, one.
Alright.
Shaving cream.
What
crossed
about baby
off.
powder? Or you don't think
There's
we...
no baby powder.
Yes, there is. Well, that's...
There is.
Wait. I'm getting confused. Alright, let's just go front.
are you getting baby powder?
Yeah. Yeah, they probably don't even know what we're shopping.
Yeah.
But we'll explain
Later.
and what
Let's
we
go
got.
over here. Yeah. Let's go over here. Pretty much we're all getting the same thing.
I'm definitely gonna do this video. This is soap.
Do you think soap will actually make like a jiggly slime? Soap?
No.
I want soap. I'm gonna get it.
Get it.
I'm getting too addicted. 16 ounce. I'm getting this one.
And alright, let's go.
My
Oh look for the Oh wait, don't.
Activator.
Yeah.
Should we just split it?
Yeah, we should split it. Or do you think we
No,
should
we
get
should
the?
get the spray.
Yeah. This...
Yeah. Does it only come one
No,
spray
let's get
bottle?
the really big one.
It
It only
smells
comes
good
with
in
one
here.
little spray bottle.
Alright, let's
It
just
smells good.
skip
We're trying to
that.
find the big.
Skip that for later.
Yeah, we'll see. Or we could use this. Oh. Okay, you want this one?
Yeah, I'll get this one. Oh, this is your favorite color. I'll get to you.
Alright, I think I'm done.
I think you are. Let's just search
I'm done too.
for baby powder.
Am I?
Yeah. Look, what about this?
And I already have. So.
See, let's
Do
just
you need?
skip that. Probably
I
not.
don't. It's alright. Let's cross out baby powder.
All right.
We already have sticks. And we're splitting them, right?
Yeah, we're splitting them. All right. We got sand. So we're going to Five Below now, and I spent.
Just kidding.
I'm
This girl,
supposed to spend.
She spent $14 already at Dollar Tree, and we still need to go to Five Below.
Yeah, and I only can get 2 things because I need the activator, and then I also need
You need
the
foam beads, you need glue, you need lead pencils, you need food coloring, you need clay.
yeah.
You need all this stuff. So
And-
you better.
I need to start keeping it in a budget. Shruja just says, go with her idea because, you know, also I'll leave her TikTok down below. Go follow her. Fine.
Yes, you do. That you just gave her
Emma, I don't think we only need one.
Yeah. I'm just gonna bring it just in case. Look what I found. You need glue.
All right.
That's already 2 things. You need clear too.
I don't know about the clear. We just need the borax here.
Borax?
Yeah. I just get the really last one.
Why?
Oh, I swear there's the last one.
Alright, so borax.
Wait, slime away covery. Should we get
What is
these?
that?
Because I'm gonna make a lot
Slime remover.
of. Yeah.
Removes play slime. Yeah, you could get that.
Look,
Get that. I don't care.
glow in the dark paint. I'm
No,
gonna get these.
don't get that. Because then you have to pay extra for people. And they don't know that it's glow in the dark, so.
I'll put that right there just in
Well,
case.
if you want to, go for it. But you have to pay people extra, so that's it.
Oh look, these for $3, 24.
Go for it.
Haven't got glitter yet.
Oh shit! How much is that?
$3. Yeah, for 24.
Yo, what the fuck? I have $5 left.
$3. Oh, no. Do you have
Cause that's
activator?
5 for borax.
What about the slime activator?
That's gonna finish quickly.
Just get the borax for now, right? And then
How
Oh.
$5?
if you come on, let's try to find them for like a little thing for $1. Let's go over here. Look, they have like clay, but no, never mind. Yeah, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work.
Oh, it dropped.
Converse. Let's see. I can't find.
What are you looking for?
Wait, do we need erasers?
What happened?
Erasers to put like in. Oh, look at these squishies.
But you have to paint those.
No.
Sorry.
No worries. Thank you.
No, we don't have to paint them.
Those aren't even squishy.
They're like different stress.
That's not.
Oh, we can get these.
Alright, so we'll just cross out fake snow for now.
Cause we can't find anything for fake snow.
So no fake snow. We could just use the paper.
Yeah.
You need food coloring. Did you get?
No.
I could cross out games.
Come on, let's go over here. Wait, Jay. cool. I was there. Alright. I can't find any paint.
Did you? Just get this, whatever.
But is it gonna work? That's it.
Oh, clay.
You think that's gonna work though?
But it's only colored. Oh, you can get glitter acrylic. Wait, just.
That's
If you
$5.
If you want. Because all of them are just really like this.
We should. I'll just get. Wait, the neon one work?
Don't get the neon. Just get this one. Yeah. Here, neon and metallics. That's the one I saw.
I'll just get these. All right, come on, let's go.
Alright, so.
Yeah, come on, let's go over here.
We already got. Did we get mechanical pencils?
Guys.
Five Below. And
Five Below and
let's
Dollar
go back to
Tree.
Dollar Tree because her mom. And so we went to Five Below, and then she wanted to get these
Bags.
bags for
For-
something.
We're gonna tell you
We'll
later.
tell you at the end.
Yeah.
At the end. And then she's like, it's $1 for 10. And then her mom's like, no, we can get it at Dollar Tree. So then we go to Dollar Tree, and there's only 3 bags for $1.
And then I found these bags, like these, like for party bags, but they're actually like we're gonna work perfect because sometimes the things that we're gonna be doing, they're gonna be big and then they're gonna be small, so it's gonna be good. So I got some of these. Well, you guys are gonna see in the end of the haul, but I got 2 of each. They were like for $8, so they're $1 each. And then I also have a pack at home. I don't even know where it is at. So yeah, we're at
So we're at
Home's Good.
At Home Goods,
Yeah, and we're just
waiting
here.
for her mom to get back.
Yeah, so we're gonna be watching something because little boy, she got some Pepsi, and I want a Pepsi.
I wish it was Coke though.
Coke is way better. Well, gee, I'm so sorry. There's no Coke here. We wish we had Coke in Dollar Tree, but there's no Coke. There's Pepsi.
Sadly.
Yeah.
But we'll see. No! No, you eat it. Eat your candy. And then so we'll see you guys when we get home, maybe.
Yeah, and
Or
we're
we
gonna.
might just talk again.
Yeah, we're gonna do the haul.
Yeah. So we'll see.
We might get McDonald's. Probably not.
Yeah, cause you spent $25 already.
No, more than 25 though.
28. 2 facts.
Very true.
And guess how much money I spent? 18. 18.
I was about to say it, but okay. All right.
What's up? We back.
So we're in my room. Jada's gonna start with her haul first.
All right. So first, we should tell them what we're doing.
All right. So
All right. So keep the seat secret.
don't tell
so-
anyone.
We're doing a slime shop at school.
And we're also doing a slime and
Slime,
squishy.
squishy, and stress balls.
So we're doing those 3. We're really excited.
Yeah.
We bought more for like slime and
Yeah.
like probably not a lot for squishies.
Yeah, cause like, we're not doing squishies. Our other
Yeah.
friends are doing.
And we didn't really. Well, I'm collecting the squishies because my mom is gonna be buying them at her work. So I'm gonna be getting like at least one squishy a week. I have 2. So Jada's gonna start her haul, and then I'm gonna start mine. So let's.
All right. So what I first got was container for slime, right? All right. So that's one. But this is for like medium and large. So, and I got these little ones. So this is for the little ones, for the little slimes. And then I got shaving cream to make fluffy slime. I'm gonna be getting more stuff for like cloud slime, stuff like that, but not today. So I have alphabet beads to put in slime. All right, so and then confetti I can put that in stress ball. And what me and Valerie are only doing are the slime and stress balls.
Well, I will be collecting these squishies too.
Squishies,
Yeah.
And then some people are making squishies.
Yeah.
So this is for the stress balls and the slime. So yeah. And then
Oh, we're gonna be having to get more.
yeah, we're probably gonna see it. Well, like I'm only gonna add a little bit for like decoration. And then I have these balloons for the stress balls. All right, so oh, and I got sand for the stress balls.
We're gonna be getting a lot of sand,
Yeah,
so
to fill it. Yeah.
yeah.
All right, and then I got borax for the slime. Right, but I just have to be careful. All right, it's almost her turn. So yeah, I got borax, and then I got this for the borax. And I just,
That's just like we're gonna put water in it, and then the borax.
and then I got just some extra, like just for me. So for my brother, my baby brother, I got a push pop.
I got this too.
And then for my other brother, I got warheads. And for myself, I got some gummy worms. Alright, let me put this back in the bag. And I got for me and Valerie. Wait. I got, yeah. So, yeah. That's what I got. But Valerie, how much money did you spend?
At least $40.
Yeah. I only spent
Like
18. Yeah. So, budget, non-budget.
Versus who? We're gonna see. Who do you think is more cheaper? Who won? You guys already tell.
Me?
She won. Cause I got more stuff.
Yeah.
So I got more stuff. So
Yeah.
now my haul.
Yeah.
Do you
Alright.
comment down below if you guys like her supplies? We pretty much got the same things, but
Yeah, but like.
back. So I was outside because I thought I left one of the bags in the
In the
truck, whatever. And then yeah, so I have to get another bag. But I'm gonna start the haul. So some of these stuff me and Jade are gonna be sharing. First thing I got is a bowl.
You want me to do it for you?
Can you give me some water?
Alright. What you first got was a bowl to make the slime.
Yeah, so we got two.
One for me.
And then one for her because I thought that why should we just get two? Because we're gonna have four. It's not gonna make
Yeah.
really sense. So my mom paid for it. That was the first thing. Then I also got the same thing as Jada, some
Alright,
containers.
put everything in here.
Yeah, I got containers. Then I got the spray bottle as Jada said that.
For the borax.
Yeah, and with some water in here. Then I got
You got the black one?
I got the both of them.
Oh.
So I got some notepads because we're gonna be having 4 people, me, Jada, and then some other 2 girls.
Yeah, we shouldn't say their name.
Yeah. So I got 4. They're pretty cute. I like them. So I got 4. Pretty simple. Then you got these. No, Jada didn't got these, but I got some of these like jewelry or something like that. Charms, I guess I can say. Then
You got 2 pads?
yeah, I got that. So then I got some alphabet letters, some beads.
No. Yeah, you can start putting some
Yeah. Then I got some black confetti because I want to make a
black one.
yeah. Thing as Jada got some sand. I'm gonna get another pack one day.
Not today.
Then I got some shaving cream. We got the really big one because the 12 ounce one, because it's $1. So
I got the biggest one.
yeah. I got 2 packs of balloons. I got these polka dot ones, like the color ones, and then I just got the simple color ones, the natural. All right. Then I got some colorful confetti.
You got a lot.
Colorful confettis.
Bro, I thought...
Too much unnecessary store to buy.
Necessary. Not.
It's not necessary, Valerie.
Yeah, too much.
All right. So there's 50 each right here. So 50. So me and Jada are gonna be sharing these. There's just some possible, sticks. And then I got some same things as Jada got. These little ones where you can do the slime and oh, sorry. Then I got last thing from Dollar Tree. I got these bags where I could put these squishies in and the stress balls. So I got this like orangey pink, and then I got these like really what's kind of it looks a little orange. Right. And I got this like navy blue. So now we're gonna get on with the 5 balloons. I got 2 of these glues. So I got this clear one. It's from the Crazy Slimy. This was like $4. And then Crazy Art. And then I got this like white, just normal white glue. And this was also $4. Then I also got the same thing as Jada got. I got some borax slime. And it also said it was in the slime area, but then it also for laundry.
Oh, you got distracted.
Yeah, then I got a 24 pack of glitter for $3. I think it was a good price though.
It's like great for slime making.
Then I got these paint.
Acrylic and metallic.
Yeah, so I got 20.
Wait,
well,
it's acrylic, neon, and metallic.
yeah, I just got 12 packs. So.
Yeah,
So then now for the last thing that we got
Warheads. And so
they're all
now,
yellow.
Transition.
I got the blue one.
We're gonna do warhead challenge.
So we're gonna get 2 each in our mouth. So
So each time you'll see.
fine, we're gonna do one.
One for now. If we spit it out, then you have to add another one. Water.
There's no water.
I don't. I have the.
Oh, soda?
Yeah. All
Okay,
right,
this
ready?
is how they look.
How it look?
That's the yellow, the blue one.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Ready? This is
Yeah.
lemon. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
I spit mine.
I'm over it.
I spit mine. The guy. I spit mine.
We're good. We're good now.
Takes a long time. Ready?
Let us finish. All right, so we'll be back. We'll finish and then we might do another one. So yeah. So
All right.
while we're eating our warheads, we forgot about these squishies. The squishies that.
My mom got.
hmm
So
This is our bread.
and then it's like a panda. Like I don't know what's.
A donut panda.
Yeah.
Drink this water. It doesn't have.
I don't need water.